Hey guys, it's Pauline. So, I picked up something directly from Kurt Geiger. They are having a fantastic sale. I've been having, well, everybody is right now. I don't know, but everybody's after your summer dollars. But let me show you what I picked up. I thought this was directly from Kurt Geiger, but apparently I bought it from Bloomingdale's. Alright, so let's take a look. I know I went on the Kurt Geiger site, but sometimes they'll be sold out of my size and all that. So, I think his boxes are really pretty. So, usually, this would be way too much going on for me. But, I don't know. I just really liked it. I have a purse that is more muted, but I think it will go with this. I mean, it's the same kind of design. It's just, it's not sparkly. It is, I don't know, glittery, if I don't know, but it's the same kind of design. It's just way more muted. And I have a pair of sandals, slides that actually look just like this, but I saw these and I couldn't leave them. I needed to try this. I thought these were really cute. So, and they are a lot. I don't even know what I would wear this with. I'm gonna have to find. Oh, look, Brandon on the side. It's really cute. Let's take a really good look at this. A lot of work went into this one. Very, very nice. Oh, you got Brandon on both sides. A little eagle head. Very pretty. Alright, and sometimes I can't get his in my size, but I'm glad that I was able to pick that up. So the name of this is the Chelsea Block Square Sling. Okay. Yeah, that is a square, right? So, that is what I had to share in this video, guys. I think this is so pretty. So, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.